Amazing holiday. How are you?
Hey guys, it's Tony from the Trainers. I just want to say
Hello, Doncaster. How are you doing?
Everyone! Hi everybody! We're having a fabulous time. Big up.
Yeah, hi guys, Santos here. Subscribe Benidorm now and subscribe my channel Benidorm every day.
And hello guys, I'm new here, so I have a new channel now. Subscribe my channel, Small Guy Big War. So you can
It's
subscribe.
Small Guy
see
Big
my
War.
video as well.
Yeah.
Guys, yeah.
Thank you.
This one. A nice one. Small Guy Big War.
Thank you. Subscribe Benidorm now.
Yeah.
Subscribe to Benidorm Crazy Marcus and Benidorm now as well. Have a great day here in Benidorm, guys. Adios.
Hi, how are you?
We're following it.
Thank you very much.
Welcome.
You want to say hello to somebody?
Hello to all my family, back in Middlesbrough, and friends. Hope you're watching.
If you wash your feet in the sea, you come back on the sand, and then your feet it is very, very hot. Are you doing like YouTube stuff? Benidorm now. I will subscribe.
I hope so.
I'll look for me being a fucking idiot.
You got to be on today.
Hi, my name is Craig. Welcome to Benidorm now. Like and subscribe. That's what they're doing. That's what they're doing. I'm a very nice mid-40s man with hot feet, and it is very hot. And I'm just having the time of my life in Benidorm, and it's awesome. Everybody's awesome. All the people are very nice. Can't see shit.
sound.
Hi! That's so cool, love it. Benidorm now. Oh my god, thank you very much. This is gonna be on tonight. Bye bye. I hope I see you again. Oh yes, yeah, definitely. Hey, you see Benidorm now.
What channel's great?
Bye bye.
Exactly from London.
Love's in the air. Love's in the air. There we go.
What's this?
It's indigestion. It's good.
That's the English for you. There you are.
Hi, how are you? I'm good. Hey guys, it's Tony from the Terraces. I just want to say hello to everyone in Bristol, all of our friends and all of our family. Thank you so much.
We're from Chester.
Hi everyone!
Hi everybody, we're having a fabulous time.
Big up the Chester massive! Like and subscribe!
Bye.
Bye.
Benidorm now.
Come on. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you again. I'm good. Hey, enjoy. Bye. Oh my God,
It's on the pit.
Cheers. Cheers. Bye. See you.
You alright?
How are you? I'm good, and you?
Okay.
It's good weather, huh? You brought good weather.
I'm back again. I'm back.
Oh, nice to see you again. Nice to see you again.
Hello, Doncaster. How are you doing? Miss you all. Not.
Hey!
Hi!
Yesterday, free and single.
Good luck! I hope you get a lot of affection. Bye bye!
Have a nice day.
You too!
the sun in our face, straight to the strip. What a blood.